morning to all. I am Shiva, Ranger Leader. Today I am here to give you the demonstration of BP6 exercises. Now Baden-Powell in his book Scouting for Boys has mentioned about the 6 exercises in chapter 6, Campfire Yarn number 70, How to Grow Strong. Now during the session on BP6, we need to follow certain steps or the procedure. So first is the introduction about the BP6, and second will be the demonstration, third will be the demonstration with explanation, and fourth is its advantages, and fifth step will be to clarify for the doubts, and if we are in a camp, we give the sixth command will be to give the commands for the participants or for the students. Now introduction. Baden-Powell has given out 6 exercises that has to be practiced every morning and before going to bed. While doing these exercises, it is very important to breathe the air in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. The exercises covers all the parts of the body, and these exercises has to be done as slowly as possible, taking your own time, synchronizing with inhaling and exhaling. Now let me start with a practical demonstration of the exercises. So first, as I said, will be the introduction, and which I have given. Now with the demonstration. So here I am going to do with the demonstration with explanation and its advantages. So first, demonstration. Command for me, attention, BP exercise 1, position. Exercise begin. Halt, rest. Now BP exercise 1, demonstration with explanation. Command for me, attention, BP exercise 1, position. So position means you have to stand straight and put your hands forward and close together. Exercise begin. Start rubbing your hands till you feel the heat. Massage your face, neck, and then your head with your palms and fingers. Then thumb the muscles of your neck and throat. Halt, rest. Now BP exercise 1 is for the head and the neck part, and this exercise will be done as soon as you get up in the morning. You have to do this exercise because it will help you to circulate the blood in the head. Now moving on, BP exercise 2, demonstration. Command for me, attention, BP exercise 2, position. Exercise begin. Thanks. Thanks. Halt. Rest. BP exercise 2, demonstration with explanation. Command for me, attention, BP exercise 2, position. So at position, stand straight and bend forward. Put your back of the hands together like this in front of the knees. Exercise begin. Breathe in through your nose Thanks. Come back to the initial position. Raise your hands, lean backward and say thanks. Thanks. Halt. Rest. So BP exercise 2 is for your shoulder and chest region. Now moving on, BP exercise 3, demonstration, command for me, attention. BP exercise 3, position. Exercise begin. Halt, rest. BP exercise 3, demonstration with explanation. Command for me, attention. BP exercise 3, position. So for position, stand straight, put your hands forward like this. BP exercise 3, exercise begin. So exercise begin. Twist your hand to the right, and while you are turning to the right, breathe in through your nose. Take a pause. Twist your body towards left now. You have to breathe out through your mouth. Take a pause. Again breathe in. Turn towards right. Breathe out. This exercise has to be repeated 6 times to the right and then 6 times to the left. Halt, rest. So BP exercise 3 is for the stomach region, and each exercises we have to do it for 12 times. So this exercise